Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to install your new GenieClassic Bidet Attachment. First things first, make sure to pause this video and make sure you have all of the parts needed for the installation. So the first step is to remove your current toilet seat. Every seat is different, but the general rule is to lift the back handles and remove the screws and wing nuts at the bottom. Next, place the bidet attachment and seat in the toilet and insert the bolts with the adjustable washers into the hinge. When placing the attachment, adjust the nozzle position as close to the rim of the toilet as possible. Now place the flat washers and wing nuts up onto the bottom of the screws. Step 4. Shut off your water supply to the toilet, then flush. Unscrew the water supply from the water tank. For this step, it might help to put some paper towels on the floor in case the tank drips water. This is completely normal. Step 5. Connect the inlet hose to the T-connector adapter and the T-connector to the toilet tank. Make sure that the T-connector is moving up evenly so that it's as tight as possible. Step 6. Connect the hose to the bidet, then connect your water supply to the bottom of the T-connector. And there you go! You just gave your bathroom the hidden gem everyone's grateful for. If you have any questions regarding your bidet or the installation process, make sure to contact us at cs@geniebidet.com or at 888-999-6241.